swag, yeah, that's the brand, and we get to
What's going on, family? Of course, I am bringing you another video that's going to be pre-recorded because I'm here to take a flight in the morning. So you're going to see this is the night before Thursday. So it's like 10 o'clock, almost 10 o'clock my time, Puerto Rico time. So I'm gonna make a quick video to one, kind of break down the overview of what we went through this past week and this past month. So first of all, before I show you everything, right? We went 30 for 30 on our trades, right? At least the live trades. I personally took one loss in an overnight session on futures, which I'll show you here in a few. Speaking of futures, I started trading futures this week. So I put $4,000 in the futures account just so that I could show it on the screen, right? And you could see as I'm live trading, you could see the money going up and down because I couldn't find a platform that would allow me to do that with options, like stock options. So I was like, I can do it with futures because I know how to trade futures as well. So we did that. Still been killing it. Hasn't stopped us at all. So I want to show you that. Also, I just like to prove what I'm doing, because I'm sure somebody out there thinks it's cap. I want to show you just the results from this week because now I have a futures account to be able to show you that. I'm going to show you the results from this week, and then I'm also going to take some money out because we won it. One of the things I like to do is whatever I put into the account, I like to get my money out of there. So I'll show also at the end of this show you the withdrawal, I guess, like me taking the money out just so it's legit. Nobody has to wonder, right? I don't want to leave any room for, is he real? Is he not? So with that being said, I'm gonna cut this screen off and share my my overall screen, go into the charts. Let's have some fun with it. I'll show you what I'm seeing over the next few days, maybe going into the next week. And that way, if I have to travel Thursday and I won't be available Friday, at least you'll know what's going on. And I'll see y'all on Monday. All right. So let's dive into it. Let's see what we got. All right. So I'm going to pull up this screen right here. Boom. Share screen. All right. Oh. Okay. So here, of course, is the screen we've been using live. Right. It's the live screen. Actually, I should take you down to the 30-minute chart. There we go. There we go. All right. A lot of people, because we got into calls, I want to say here. We got into calls here, right? And I put in the group, I said, hey, when they did this, I said, hey, I'm getting out because I saw this downtrend. I said, hey, I'm getting out, right? And what did I do? I got out of there, right? I got out just in time. And I actually wasn't like actively trading. I just saw that this was resistance. I said, hey, that makes sense. I got double resistance. I got resistance here. I got resistance. Actually, I had triple resistance. I have resistance on the downtrend. I have resistance on the horizontal line. And then I had 3 levels of resistance in my EMAs. So I'm thinking, you know what? That's it. Like I'm taking profit. So I literally let it bounce up and I took profit right there. So that resulted for anybody who remembers, right, and I'll show the results. But for anybody who remembers, I started this account with like a little bit less than $3,000, a little bit less than $4,000, excuse me. So I put $4,000, or like it was like 3,800 and some change maybe, because there was some money sitting in here already. It was like $100 or something. So I ended up putting about $3,800 in it. That's what we started out with. And so as you see now, this account is up to 8,967, so almost $9,000. So literally in 1 week, because we just started trading this account in 1 week, we grew from a little under $4,000 to almost $9,000. So that's about, what's that, $5,000 profit. All right. And if you think I'm capping, okay, we'll go over to my TradeAvate account. All right, and as you see, this is a live account. Ain't no bullshit over here. I know somebody's thinking. There's no bullshit over here. Okay, so here is the live account. So yes, all trades. This is literally just from this week. Actually, that's really from like 3 days. I think that's like if I had to say, I want to say I opened this. It's not even 3 days. I think I started this on the 29th. Yeah, it's 3 days, 29th, 30th, and the 31st. So yeah, I put the money in there on Monday and we got busy with it. I made overall 6,500 bucks. But we took a loss for right around 1,500, right? And that was a few of these little losses where I just see, I'm like, I don't like that I got out. And this was an overnight position that I let move against me and it hit my stop loss while I was asleep. So and that's why it's that long usually. Anytime I let a drawdown like that happen, is because it was an overnight position. Usually, I know when I'm wrong, and I usually get out of there pretty quick. But nonetheless, I'm happy with these results. Like I said, we walk away. We started with $4,000. We walk away with 9. I'm cool. So what I'm going to be doing, and I probably show this towards the end of the video. What I'm going to be doing is taking a withdrawal. And when I say the end of the video, the end of this, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this video, go through all the things, and then what I'll do is also put up today's replay of the live trading that we did. So yeah, stick around if you want to see that. So I'll go ahead and do a withdrawal here in a few. After I go over the charts with y'all, and then you can, if you want to stick around and see the review of today's day trades, I'll put that up after this video. All right. So yeah, that's what we got. Once again, yes, this is a live account. This is no bullshit. This is what we did. I want to say we went. I took 31 trades, roughly 31 trades, which is solid. 83%. I'm happy with that. So 83% win rate, 16% loss, not bad at all. So yeah, we'll keep this thing going. I'm looking forward to February because, like I said, we didn't take any losses outside in the live trading account. So I was like, hey, you took 3-4 losses right here. Yeah, okay. We did have a few losses on my live trading account. However, inside of day trading with my live Discord, we didn't lose this month, right? So that being said, we were good. We were good. So this has definitely been a good month, been a good week. Let's go to the next month, see what we got. All right. So I'm gonna go back to the charts. Let's see what we got. If I'm being honest with y'all, man, I do think this thing is it's got some more room to fall. So I think this little pop-up right here, I think that's fool's gold. It's not ready to go bullish yet. I think we need to come back down and then we'll run potentially. I don't know if that's how it's gonna happen. I think we can do something like this and then maybe run back up. That could take maybe 3 days. I may not be trading. Like I said, I'm gonna be traveling tomorrow, so I won't be trading, but I will have a limit order set just in case if it wants to get down there. I don't think it will, but just in case if it wants to get down there, I'll kind of manage it as I'm on the road. But this is what I have. All right, this is what I see going on, and I want to take you actually to SPX. I think that'll be another good opportunity to kind of see what's going on overall markets. All right. So of course, I like to bring up the EMAs just to see what our support looks like. So we got support here, support here. You have to be aware of larger time frames, right? So we got big support coming up on these, right? So if it does get lower, let's say if we do get down to 70, 470, 47.11, we got to be looking for one of these to hold, right? So I do like these as support. These are good support levels for like swing trades or anything like that. We are far away from any of the EMAs on a weekly chart. So no need to worry about those. All right. So with all of that being said, I'm feeling generous. So I'm going to give a little path breakdown to see, can we hit where I want to see us hit, or where I think we're going. All right. I used to do this a lot on the STB Market Watch. I used to do these a lot. So I like this structure, right? What I'm thinking is going on is, this was a 5-wave structure for anybody who knows what that means. I think it was a 5-wave structure. I think it was 1 of 3. This is like 2 of 3. I think all of this was 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and then we started 5 of 3 here. I think potentially this is giving us the wave four. Thing is, with wave fours, this thing can retrace as low as here. All right, so that's 46.36. And actually, I'd like to see that. If I'm being honest, I'd like to see that. Why? Because 46.36 puts us at that area we broke above. So watch this. We get real close to that all-time high area, right? Look at that. Bam. You gotta love it. you gotta love it. So let me go to the daily chart so you can see it a little bit better. But yeah, that 46.36 area, um, I like that. I like that. And here's the reason why. This was a high we needed to break above. This was a high we needed to break above. And so what we saw was right in these areas, I drew a nice little square or rectangle in that area. What you see is that to get above this, we broke it and never tested it. And I never like stuff like that. If you're gonna break a strong resistance area, I need to see you come back and hold it as support. And we never got back down to hold it as support. So what I'd like to see is maybe like this A, B, C down, boom. I'd like to see you hold this somewhere at support, and then we make our way out. And I think we can get to 5,000, right? You heard it here first. People always tell me I don't put it out and let people see it, but I've been doing it for a while now. If you look back, I want to say like 6 months ago, actually, no, if you look back April 2023, I made a video saying we were one of all-time highs. Nobody really listened, but it's there and it's timestamped. So whatever, right? But this is what I see happening. I do think we can get back here. But what we're gonna need to see is we need to see it break down first. I need you to get under here first. So if it doesn't, or if it can't get under 47.13, I don't think we'll get down here. But that's my first level I need to break. And also we need to get past this level. So that's gonna buy us up. But if we get down here and it buys it up, hopefully we can get down underneath it, and that'll be good. So I'd like to see it get underneath it, hold it as resistance, boom. So we'll see. We'll see. All right. So that's what I got going on with the SPY, or excuse me, SPX, which is S&P 500. These are my areas I'd like to see. This is going to be my first area to test. So I'd like to see a bounce from this area. And then if we can bounce from that area, then it's going to be good to take off from there. Or at least a bounce. I like a small bounce from there. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can get it down to that area, bounce, maybe even take it back up to like this area here, right? Somewhere in here. Boom. And then see if we can continue down. And let's see, can I justify that? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. So yeah, that works. So that's what I see coming. That's what I see coming. So look out for that. I'd like to see those moves down like that. And then, like I said, from the next week, I need to see some running. I'd like to see some running. If we bounce from here and just run straight back up there, we know what's up. All right, we know what's up. So that's pretty much what I want to show today. Other than that, once again, if you want to see a replay, if you want to see, of course, the replay, but also if you want to see me take my profits and move them into the bank, I'll put that up after this. And then after you see that, I'll put today's video recap after, so you can watch that. So enjoy. Y'all have a great, pretty much rest of your week. If I don't see you, have a great weekend, and I'll see you maybe Monday. For my STB folks, I'll see you Sunday. All right. That's a fact. That's a fact. Ooh, look at the gap down. Look at the gap down. Good God. All right, let's see where we are. So I'm in a position already, just to be transparent. I'm in a position because I think we've already closed underneath this, and I think we should get down here. So I think this little move up, it could be fool's gold. It could be fool's gold. But if they want to come up and take me out already, I'm cool with that. Why am I cool with that? Because I mean, honestly, I'm already up on the day, right? So they can go up and take $500 from me, and I'm still positive. And yesterday, y'all know this started out as a right under three. It was like 3,900, so it was right under $4,000 account. So we at 5,000 right now. So I'm cool. I'm like, do your thing. We good. And so um, just being transparent. Today, just to be let y'all know, this is kind of like a free class that I let some of my free folks in today because I won't be here Thursday. So I'm showing this because they need to see this as well. This is not a fucking uh, dummy account, or what do you call it? A paper trading account. This is my real money. All right. I have $5,000 in here. So this is a real account. I'm doing this so y'all can actually see it on the screen as we're trading it. Right. All right. So getting back to Rich Dad Poor Dad while we wait, I don't want to touch any of this right now. For the most part, most people should have been in puts already, right? So we're probably up on that. Yesterday we went 4 for 4, right? That's right. Ebony said 43% up on yesterday's spot put. Yeah, we're 4 for 4 yesterday on alerts. So I'm gonna go fairly, honestly, I'm gonna go fairly light today because we did 4 trades yesterday, and I don't like to over trade. But we got some free people here, so we're gonna see if we can make them some money too. But other than that, we're still undefeated for the year. What is that? Yeah. Okay. Okay. But yeah, we're still undefeated on the year, so I'm happy about that. I'm happy about that. Yes, and I'm trading futures because that's the only way I can put it on the screen. All right. I can't put the options on the screen. So once again, Rich Dad Poor Dad is definitely a banger. I think most people should be reading that, honestly. To be totally honest. So once again, the worker bee, kind of like somebody, Brian mentioned, like, my ex and her dad, super like worker, like, I want to work, I'm here to work. I'm like, that's fine. Being a worker bee is nothing wrong with that. However, that's not like where you want to like plant your flag, right? You want to plant your flag in more so of a investor's mindset. So because you can't, yeah, it's not sustainable. You can't do your job forever, whatever that may be, or you may not want to. So you either can't or you don't want to. And so with that being said, I'm like, I don't really like that, for people to say, hey, I'm gonna work this job forever. I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm not a fan of it. I wouldn't want to work a job forever. I've never wanted to work a job forever. So for me, no, I'm not. I'm not a fan of it at all. Right? I don't think any job is forever. None of them. All right, so we're gonna a little move up. I do think this is fool's gold, to be honest with you. Let's see, 2, 3. We can pop as high as maybe here. We got a bunch of sellers here. We got resistance here. I'm down 325 bucks, but I'm cool as a cucumber. Um, but yes, that is the thing, right? That's what we're looking at. So, all right, let's see. Did an Empire tell you it was better move up the jogs? He's like, yeah, for real. And but not everybody thinks like that, Nicole. And that's unfortunate. And so, a lot of people got that worker bee mindset, right? Worker bee mindset, right? So yeah, I feel the same way, right? I feel the same way. Building an empire, especially for our loved ones, our family, all of that, our kids, grandkids, that's what it's about for me. Definitely what it's about for me. All right, so let's break down this little move that I got us in right now that I'm in, and I'm sure some of y'all are like, why the hell did Tay? Some of my people who know what they're doing, why the hell did Tay grab puts or grab a short right at support? Well, what I'm looking for, I was looking for a break of support, and we broke support. As a matter of fact, if you go down to a lower time frame, it also gave us beautiful confirmation. So I'm actually in the camp. I'm actually going to grab one more up here. Because I like this, right? I like this a lot. And so I simply play support to resistance. That's it. Okay. So I definitely got confirmation there. We're coming up here to test this, which is why I grabbed that extra that I averaged into it. So here is resistance. So what we can do technically is we can come over here and see if we can find something on the spot, right? Now, come on, man, give me something better than that. This is technically resistance. I'd be okay with 0 DTE SPY puts, all right? We scale in, y'all know how we do. We scale in first scale in will be here where I mentioned it. Second scale in will be, let me see if I can get us some a little bit better. Second scale in would be, I don't want to go all the way up there. Let's see. GLD moving. There we go. There we go. Okay, so if y'all just got in on the spot put, so y'all know how to do it. 488 strike price where we are now. 0 DTE expiration date puts. All right. I had to call that in a way for my beginners to understand it. But my people, my folks who are normally here, y'all know how to play this. Wherever I call it, that's where you go strike price. And when I say we're going down, we're going into puts. Okay. So puts 0 DTE, which is 0 days to expiration. So today's expiration, right? And your strike price, like I said, should be right there in the money or at the money. Okay. So we should already be making money right now. We should already be making money, right? It ain't gonna be much, but we should be making money already. It's going in our direction. That's all I wanted to see. Let's go back to the 5-minute. Yeah, so the 5-minute is doing what I needed to do. This was previous resistance. It was support. We gapped underneath it, and now it's also resistance again, right? So let's see if it can hold. That's scaling number one. I don't know if I honestly see something. So today's gonna be a potential. I don't want to say it's gonna be a fully slow day. It's gonna be a potential slow day leading up to the Fed meeting. And the reason why I say that is because usually when the market is waiting on a Fed's decision, it could be a little, it'll just kind of like do this like floppy thing for like 3 hours. And it'll just kind of bounce in place. But right now, it looks like we eating. So I like where we are right now. So right now, everybody should be eating. Y'all drop some profits in the chat. How much are y'all up so far? Because I can't see what it's doing. Because of course I'm here. Okay, Angie up 10%. Good job. Oh, up 50. Okay, 54%. Let's go. Okay, I'm up 125 bucks. It's looking good. We got support here, so I want to see if we can break that support. I need that support to break. I'm tired of playing with you, support. I'm tired of playing with you. It's not gonna break. I'm tired of playing with the support, damn it. Tired of playing. Eric is up 20%. Good job. LG's up 50%. Let's go. 10%, 5%, 6%, 15%, 22%. Darren, Carrington, my bad, bro. Good job, family. Good job. I love it. I love it. Lawrence is up 15%. Shell 7, 6, 8, 12, 20, 54. Okay. Good. So that's solid. Now I would lock in. Y'all know how I say, don't be too greedy, right? And this is support. The only reason I'm still holding mine, I'm not gonna lie to you, because I'm already up. I'm already profitable for the day. So I'd like to see if I can get this. It needs to get back under this support, but it keeps holding it. it held it perfectly right there. I probably should have took profit. That's why I tell y'all, don't. You can see on the screen yourself right now why you should be taking profit like quick, because I could have got out of there and re-entered pretty much, like literally. So just know there's a reason I tell y'all to get in and out, because this thing moves fast. All right. All right. Let's see what we got. All right. Come on, support. Come on, support. Break. There we go. I'll take that. That is 10%, or roughly. because I got let me see. Okay, I'm up $1,000 on the day, and I'm at 5,600. So technically, I'm up 20% today. So for the most part, I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that at all. Okay. Once again, for all my new folks, that is real money. I don't want anybody, getting confused. This is real money. I put like $3,800 in there like 3 days ago. I was like, all right, I need y'all to be able to see it on the screen. So I was like, okay, I can trade futures. So you can see the representation of what I'm doing on the screen because I can't do it with options. So I was like, okay, well, let me put it on the screen so you all can see the money represented in real time, right? And so we're good to go. So that's a great day. Like I said, technically that's like 25%, because I was at like 4,500, something like that. So yeah, it's a good day. It's a great day. So yeah, what we can do, we can go over some stuff, maybe answer some questions, see what else we can look for, wait for another move to show its face, and then we'll go from there. I'm not looking to go long right now just because I don't like this. I'm actually bearish. I don't want to buy this. So shout out to everybody who got out. Great profits. I'm gonna go ahead and put that one down. 131. All right, that's how we end the month. SPY puts. And what would y'all say I would say on average, everybody should have done anywhere between, I'd say 12% to like 18% was the average. Some of y'all did like 5, 6%. Some of y'all did like 40, 50%. So I'm gonna go like 15. Let's do like 13 to 15%. Just to keep it legit. All right. I try to be fair with this thing. All right, Val did 17%. Good job, Val. No, I'm proud of you. All right, Tay, can I hit you up on the side about trading? I'm visually impaired, so I just want your opinion if possible. Oh yeah, I got you. I remember talking to you last time, so yeah, let me know what you got. Remember, I told you, yeah, we shouldn't be day trading. So if that's your question, you know what I'm gonna say. You shouldn't be staring at the screen too much. You should not be staring at the screen too much. Let's see. Is this the beginning of the rug pull you call? I personally don't think so. Not yet. Where I see this thing going, I think we need to pull back, yes. But I think it's coming to pull back to shoot higher. Then we fall, right? So I gotta move higher than we need to make. We go far, 300 on the ES. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. Taking you go over day trading pattern rules. You're gonna trade 3 times a day. No, you're gonna trade 3 times in a week. So, with that being said, what I personally would do for anybody who's like, man, I only got 3 day trades. You take 1 day trade a week, and you swing trade from there. Number one, you're gonna make more profits because you're swinging the trades, right? Number two, you're gonna be able to play with a larger amount of money because you're swinging it versus day trading it. Number three, your risk to reward is gonna be much better, and so you're not gonna have to run into that rule. The pattern day trader rule was meant to protect people who don't have a lot of money, which is why they keep it at $25,000. And I personally agree with that rule. There's the leaky leak I was looking for. There it is. Damn, baby, the price is right. The price is right. Bring that ass here. Okay. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting. And I'm happy because we all have swing trades for puts right now. Like we are already in puts. So yeah, I'm very, very bearish on this right now. Apple puts up 75%. Let's go, Eon. For those of y'all who don't know, Eon did call out Apple puts in the swing trading channel. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all, it's too late to buy them now. But y'all make sure y'all look, locking in and making sure you're keeping an eye on that swing trading channel, if you will. Brian said I'm up 113% on Apple puts. Let's go. Let's go. Somebody's LT said up 19%. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh yeah, we good. We good. So yeah, just make sure y'all keep an eye over there. Um, damn, I was trying to find me a place. That was a great place to kind of get in. I think it's gonna go back up and try to test potentially even as high as here. We'll see. We'll see. I wish you would. I wish you would. All right. Let's see. Michelle, 66% up on Apple Puts. Good job. 66% up on GLD. Let's go. So yeah, Eon's been calling some bangers, y'all. So y'all make, like I said, y'all make sure y'all paying attention to that over there. Do you see us hitting 510 this week? Yeah. I think I don't know 510, but definitely 500. But let me say this: 5,000 on the ES. I don't know about the spy. I don't know if the spy's gonna get all the way up there, like near term. But yeah, I definitely see it. Definitely see that. There it is. I want that. I'm buying that. Just for a pop. Just for a pop. I don't suggest y'all get into that right now. I'm being a little risky because I'm hedged. I'm hedged. I'm being a little risky. I'm front running support. Right. I got in 2 points early. But I'm cool with that. But if y'all knew how much money I had into puts, you'd be like, okay, whatever, Tay, do your thing. All right. Um, let's see, accumulating more money. Yeah, I'm just accumulating more money. That's it. And see, I'm okay taking a little more leaky leak. So my next level would be maybe somewhere in right here. If they want to come on down, I welcome it. Bring it on down here. I welcome it. Give me another one there. I welcome you to also come down to here. Right. Mm-hmm. I welcome it. Missed this trade explanation. There's no explanation to this trade. Literally, it's leaking because we're expecting. I've always had this target for the last like 4 days. I've had this target set here. The buyers are screaming, come pick me up right here. What I'm doing is I'm just grabbing levels. I've always played this way. I've drawn my levels. If you've been here before, and for my free people, y'all need to be here more often so I can show you the levels, right? And show you how to do this. All I do is since I've been trading, I draw my levels out and then I buy my levels. And usually what happens is it'll hit the level like it just did and it will bounce like it's doing. All right. And so what I can expect is for me personally, I'd like to see if it wants to come back up here and test one of these, right? One of the, or pretty much this level. These are sellers. So if it gets up into this level, I'll grab it. I'll take my puts, or excuse me, I'll take my profit, and then I might slam it back down. so I do see us going this way though. And so what I'm looking at happening is, or what I think is going to happen is, I think FMOC, the Fed meeting today is going to be bullish. I think it's going to be bullish. So what I'm going to be looking to do is grabbing some long calls or something. So yeah, I think it's gonna be bullish. All right. So yeah, this is just a little sniper play. This is a little sniper play. That's it. A little sniper play, nothing too crazy. $75, right? 75 bucks. I want to see if it can go a little higher to go test some of those sellers. And then yeah, we get out. If it continues to go down, I'm ready for you. I got you. Right. Said you trading that? Send me that crystal ball, right? Okay, I don't like how it's taking too long to get there. I'll take my $100, right? So we get out $100. So yeah, 1,100 on the day. I like it, right? And then when you come back down, um, I actually just might be there to wait on you. All right, I might be there to wait on you. You want to come back down? Cool. You want to come back down? Cool. You want to come back down? Cool. Get it right here. All right. So this is how I play the game. I keep this shit simple, y'all. This is simple. All right. So for anybody who I didn't want to be super risky with y'all, but somebody probably followed me on that. If you bought calls when I said I was buying this, you probably made 20% just on that move up. I didn't want that. That's risky because I'm already up. I didn't want to call that. Lawrence made 18% on it. Yeah, I figured somebody went in on calls with me, but I didn't want to call that because it was a little risky. That was a little risky. All right, they coming back down to pick me up. Come on. Come on. I'd really like to see that 49.05.06 area get hit. So that's really what I'm looking for, to be honest. To be honest with you, that's what I'm looking for. Let's see. This will be on the 2 later for replay. Yeah, I'll put this on. I'll put this up for replay. Yeah. All right, we're in. We're in. We're ready to go. All right. Let's see. If we get a second bounce, go down to the 5. I don't need to go super low on this time on these time frames. I just want to see where this thing wants to go. Let's see. That's $50. So we went up and let's see, we tested here. I want to see if it's gonna come up and test something a little higher. Just a little higher. I don't need much. You give me $4 move up. I like that, right? This is essentially what people call scalping. That's it. So this is nothing different than, people do this, out in the trading world. So this is nothing different. I'm sure some people have seen this, right? Somebody said, "Yo, I got my limit there too." Yeah, so I'd like to see that come back up there. That's a psychological resistance. I think that's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be solid, right? I just want a little head and shoulders. That's right. Just want a little head and shoulders. Nothing too crazy, just a little head and shoulders. Let's see. That's right. Little head and shoulders, little double bottom. I don't ask for much. I don't ask for much. Juice for the day as we wait. Got a green juice. Y'all know how we do it. So I did apple, spinach, cucumber in that. I got my chlorella and some amino acids. We gotta keep it strong. All right. Let's see. Good day, all. What's good, family? Hope you're having a blessed day as well. All right. I'm actually excited today because I get to eat today. So I'm super excited. So I'm super. You mainly raw vegan. Yeah, most of my diet is usually raw vegan. So fruits. I do a lot of fruits. A lot of amino acids. For those of you who don't know what amino acid is, it's the building blocks to protein. So when people say, "Where your protein come from?" I say, "Well, I get amino acids, right? That's where they come from." Oh, come on, baby, don't do me like that. Get your butt on back up there. Come on. Shoot, put that on up there. Let's see. Chris. Okay, CMOS. I see you. I see you. Where can we find your vegan training course? I discontinued it because I can't focus over there and because I would give attention to that space over there. I discontinued everything. What's the last book that I read? Great question. My folks in the STB, y'all know what this is, right? You know what this is. It's called the fourth turning is here. The fourth turning is here. And it's basically a book on cycles. And it teaches you what's going on in the markets, or excuse me, it teaches you what's going on in the world based on history. And so if you know what's going on in the world based on history, you know what's coming. And if you know what's coming, then you know what the markets are going to do. So what we do is we read about stuff like this, then we go to the charts, and then we make money, right? So that's what that is. So I'm actually not done with that book though. So I'm in the middle of that. Okay. So are you really not gonna go up and at least give me my price target? Okay, I guess not. I guess not. Let me see if I can find a more immediate downtrend and see if that's what it's trying to follow. Yes, it is. There's my speed lines. If this does not close green, then I will probably get out of there. Right? Probably get out of there. Okay. We got a minute and a half left. I'd like to see you go up, close green, and maybe come up into this area. I'd be happy. I'd be okay with that. People want to do everything and end up doing nothing. Yeah, that's a fact. That is a fact. I've seen it all along. I got the original fourth turning for Christmas. Yeah, so the original fourth turning is a good one, and then that's the next book. Fourth turning is coming because the fourth turning, the original one, was a little older, which still great read, right? Still great read. This one is kind of like focusing on what's actually happening now. So both of them are good though, and I think people need to read both. People need to read both, most definitely. All right, so you playing with me. You playing with me. We might go ahead and continue down, which I'm okay with. Yeah, I really wanted that 38% retracement. I really wanted it, but it ain't gonna give it to me. We got 42 seconds to decide though. We got 42 seconds. 42 seconds, and then I don't know where we're going. Atomic Habits, Fire book. I had to check that one out. I've definitely heard about that one. Yeah, shout out to Eon. Shout out to Eon on the class last night. Telling y'all, hey, Snap. I'm gonna tell y'all. Snap is about to snap. Not in a bad way. The good snap. All right, so we're breaking my area. Let's see if we're gonna go ahead and continue. Okay, so it closed. We got closed below here. All right, so they're coming to pick up my second position, which I welcome it. Come on down. Now I do have support right here on this white line. It's a moving trend line. They might bounce it from there. We'll see, but I don't care. I'm like, hey, I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna sit down there at 49.11. Bring me my money, or bring me the deal first, right? Bring me the deal. I'm not front running this one. You're either gonna bring me the deal and give me exactly what I want, or you can bounce on up out of here and give me my 49.21. So everything's looking good. For the most part, everybody here who's in the Discord, like an actual member of the Discord, everybody here should be inputs. So we just chilling right now. We're welcoming this move down. So that's why we chilling. We're welcoming this move down, and what I'm doing is I'm playing calls against it or buying it, if you will. So let's go over here and let's see what we got. The reason I haven't given a call over here on the spy, because once again, I still need that price target. That is a price target that I've set because the buyers right here are ready to buy. Okay, so what I'd like to see is a move down to here. I think so I'll go ahead and just tell y'all at 487.30. Why not? 25. At 487.25, I'll be okay with you front running that calls 0 DTE. So we'll go scaling number one, call right here, 0 DTE. And as a matter of fact, no, hold on. If you are in Robinhood, take it out till tomorrow. Because what's going to happen is, I can almost guarantee it, what's going to happen is, the Fed meeting don't start until what, 3 o'clock? 3:30 my time, which is 2:30 y'all's time, right? I think they're going to run this thing up. I don't really play news a lot, but I'm willing to put a little something on the line for it, right? Let me tell y'all something. If you're in Robinhood and you get a 0 DTE, and then this thing starts calls 0 DTE calls at 487 strike price, and this thing starts running up, or it takes too long to run up, they'll close out your position at 3:30. And so that's why I say go into tomorrow. Go into tomorrow because Robinhood be on some BS. So expiration date tomorrow, right? Calls 487 strike, right? And this will be scaling number one. I definitely like that. Scaling number one is right there. If I had to give you a scaling number two, we just want to be, just in case, I'd go scaling number two at 480. Get out of there. That's an old one. So somewhere around here. That's support. So I go scaling number two at support at 486.08. Scaling number two. And then I'd give a healthy stop loss here. If they break these two sets of buyers, it's because they're ready to fall. So we'll go stop, close, below, what's that, 484.90. All right, we'll make that red. Boom. I like it. 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 All right, so let's see how this thing wants to run. Once again, we already making money as it continues to etch on down. And then we look into, maybe see if it wants to bounce. So it looks like it's trying to hold some support here, which I'm cool with. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Come on back up there. You know where I'm trying to get you to go. So come on back up here. All right. The price is right. All right. Let's see. I say it tanked right after, after hour, that thing just, saw that coming. So now we good, man. Let me just say for the most part, I'm very happy with what we've been doing over this really over the last 8 months. But y'all have been consistent and we've been winning really well. Like I said, we undefeated. I think we're at 31 trades for the year 2024, and we have not lost. We're 30 for 30. Somebody put me on ESPN, man. 30 for 30. All right. 30 for that's right. Put me on ESPN, man. 30 for 30. So no losses right now. We're looking good. So yeah. You just gotta be patient now. Let's see. I'm excited to see some of y'all start sending me your screenshots for six figures now. We already got, I told you once we hit a certain amount of people that hit $25,000 or more, I was gonna move the price of the Discord to $250 a month. We've already done that. We had $250 a month. Now, when I get a certain amount of that same set amount of people to send me $100,000 or more in profit, like they're showing me the screenshot, bro, I'm at 100K. This is not a paper trading account. I'm at 100K. We taking it to 500 a month. So for all my free people here, I know some of y'all are like, I don't know, should I join? Should I not? I don't care if you join at all, right? But don't hit me up in 2 months, 3 months, whatever. When the thing go to 500 a month, be like, I was there when you were 250 though. You heard it here, right? You heard it here. So I'm not liable for anything that happens outside of that. But yeah, I just have to say that because people feel like they, just because they poke their head in the classroom when it was 250, they think they deserve the 250. I'm like, no, you better get your ass in before it goes to 500 a month. I appreciate all of y'all showing love though. That's right, Val. It's the IPO price, baby. We're close to IPO. Turf said, I love it over here. I appreciate it, family. Most definitely. He said, join this is the best place to be. Yeah, that's love. Much love. Let's see. It'll be your best bet to get in while you can. Facts. Because, yeah, I'm not going to do this forever. I can tell y'all that now. There's gonna come a time when I'm like, I'm out. I'm out. I'm too rich for this shit. There's one person who's like that right now, who is a black guy actually, and some of y'all actually know him. Y'all know who he is. And so I talk with him, every now and then we'll talk back and forth. And he even kind of told me, he's like, bro, it's gonna come a time where you should sit this shit down. And I'm like, all right. Y'all know who Mark Monroe is. So Mark, he at that point, he like, bro, I'm too rich. Like, I don't want to show up every day. I don't want to have to do this every day. Like, no. And so, we talk back and forth about certain stuff, and he'd be like, bro, I'm telling you, it's gonna be a time where you're just like, I'm done. And I'm like, I feel you. I feel you. And so, yeah, it comes a time where it's not worth it anymore. And I feel it coming. I feel it coming. Okay. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. So don't be scaring this coach. I don't have a timeline. I'll be honest with you. I don't have a timeline. But like I said, it will become a time. Either one is going to be too, I don't say too dangerous for me to teach, but kind of. It might either be too dangerous for me to teach, or it just won't be worth it. Like I just be like, I don't want to do it. Like imagine being able to just sleep in. Or, I could be at the gym right now, right? I sleep in, kiss my wife, kiss my baby boy, go to the gym, come back, we catch a flight somewhere, we hang out, we hop over to another island, so like it'll come to a time where I just want to like, what? Right now I'm here. Right now we're gonna do our thing, and I want to see how many people I can get. I'll say 6 figures, but especially 7, right? But yeah, when TJ, I can say this. When TJ gets to the point where he start playing sports, I'm out. when TJ gets to the point where he started playing basketball and he traveling, and I'm out. I'm out because I'll be full-time coach. That's exactly where I'm going. So when TJ start hooping, and I'll be training him, and we're gonna be in there lifting weights and doing whatever, and traveling. I'm out. I tell you that now. So maybe y'all got 3 years. TJ is almost 2. So I think at 5, he'll be full time getting to it, right? And so yeah, I'm gonna be a full time basketball dad. That's it. And so at that point, I'm gonna be one of them cool ass dads in the jumper suit and the jogging suit, you know, chilling. I still don't know if I'm gonna be wearing watches or not. Right now, I don't want no watches because it's too risky. So no watch, little Hugo Boss, jogger suit, little cap, sitting on the sidelines, Let's go, TJ. Let's go, TJ. 5 is too young. Nah. Uh-uh. Robert said, "Are you adopting?" No, 5 not too young. 5 not too young. I was hooping at, yeah, I was hooping at like 6, 5, 6. And he won't be, doing AAU and stuff maybe, but well, I think they do have AAU or like Pee Wee League. But 5, he will definitely be training. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna start training him soon. I already got like a little harness to go around his waist so he can drag the sled with me. And so, because every day I drag the sled backwards and forwards, right? And so I'm gonna have him dragging the sled with me, and he gonna start doing some push-ups and pull-ups. Like we finna, I ain't fucking around. I'm gonna get my boy right. And so, yeah, I'm gonna have him going and doing his thing. And so, eventually, that's gonna be like life. We're gonna be visiting different, because there's a few sports institutions that I want to take him to, or like training institutions. Not D1, but there's one in Phoenix and there's one in Miami. So we'll be traveling back and forth to those, maybe working with some trainers there, some specialists there. We're gonna be doing some shit. And so I just want to get him prepared physically for anything. So even if he don't want to play basketball, he gonna be strong, fast. He can jump high. He'll be tall. Because even if he just comes to my height, he'll be 6'3" at least, right? Fee's dad is 6'6". My granddad is 6'7". So if he get the height, he gonna be 6'5", 6'7". He gonna jump high. He gonna be strong. He's gonna be healthy as hell because we've been feeding him a very good diet just because he eats like we do. So like, yeah, my boy gonna be ready. He gonna be ready. So yeah, we gonna be on. All right. So yeah, you already know. That's right. We live, eat to live. That's what we do. All right. So we're building in some beautiful support right here, man. I don't know if it's gonna fall. Anytime I see this happening, where they're building in this beautiful support, it's got to be some larger time frame buyers somewhere. Because they're building in a beautiful support right in this area. If y'all, I mean, if you don't want to get left and you're like, hey, it's 20 cents away, and you just want to go ahead and move up that scale in number one, I'd be okay with you grabbing some calls right there. I'd be okay with it. Let me see something real quick. This has got to be like a 20 or something, or no, maybe it's a 50. Let's see. $50 on the. There it is. Yep. There it is. So yeah. Yeah, my target price was to get us down to this 50 EMA. That's what that is. That's a 50 on the hour. So yeah, that's around that scaling 1 and 2 area was to get us down to this area. But if you want to kind of like sneak in a little earlier, you got to take a beating for 20 cents. All right, you got to take a beating for 20 cents. But yeah, I like it. I like it. Okay, let's see. You listen to Yaki? Yeah, I listen to Yaki. Yeah, I like Yaki. Because he talking that same thing that talking the talk, same thing I live by, and that I learned from Dr. Sabi, Dr. Africa. Those were my teachers. So yeah, I definitely listen to Yaki. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is good. I think this is good. So yeah. SCB, don't y'all say nothing. They only gonna know if y'all say something. SCB, don't y'all say nothing. They only gonna know if you mention something. Don't you say nothing. Because I know y'all gonna start putting them stop signs up, and I'm like, look, I ain't gonna say nothing. I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm not gonna say nothing. But they only gonna know if y'all. They only gonna know if y'all say something. All right. All right. So yeah, yeah. I think we're good. I'd like to see this. Yeah, pull on back some more. Okay, so they just picked me up. Good. Okay, so we're back at another support. So yeah, there's that support there. They just picked me up for my second contract. I'm waiting on the third, baby. Puts is putting too, by the way. Anybody who's wanting puts are putting. Tesla is still falling, which is good because we're looking for better entry on that. Let's see what else we got. Nvidia is leaking right now. Okay. Netflix got 333 up for the day. And then let me see what IWM is doing. Okay. I need IWM to come back to 190. That's really what I'm trying to get. I got out of my calls. That's why I'm being greedy. I'm being greedy. I didn't even come back one night. Hey, Devin, that's hilarious. I'll be quiet. When he gone, I'll be talking again. All right, so let's see. Yeah, so it's following this support. That's why I had it right there. I figured, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at that support, support, support. Let me go back some more. Support, 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 support. This is a lesson y'all seeing in real time for all my free folks. This is the class we did, the first free class that I did a couple weeks ago. Y'all are getting a beautiful lesson right now. Look at that support. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I could have, I could have scurried out of there for the $100, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm already up pretty good today. So I'm just chilling. I'm gonna be patient. Yeah, I'm gonna be patient. I'm already up today. So I'm being patient because I still see some goodness coming. I see some goodness coming. So I'm gonna just be patient. Right? We're gonna be nice and patient. Now what I will do is I'm gonna start locking in some profit on one of my other accounts that I got. I have some staggered puts I should be sitting pretty on right now. Yeah, 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 yeah. There we go. That is, yeah, 60% up on that one. So we'll sell that one at market. Boom. And then this one is up 45%. So we'll sell that. No, 55%. So we'll sell that one at market. That's solid. That's solid. That's solid. 100. And then I'm actually going to take a trade over here. Some puts, some calls. Let's see. Y'all give me a minute real quick, man. I'm in one of my other accounts. Let me see something real quick. I think we can get back up to that 5,000, 4,900. 4,950 is where I want to go with it. So let's see. 49.50. Man, that's out to March. That's too expensive though. I don't want that. You need to be a little cheaper. I'll take it. Why not? So 63. Actually, that's not as expensive as I thought it was. Okay. Give me one of those market. It's 2,500. All right. All right, all right. I'm looking at some of y'all comments. Hey man, I ain't gonna say nothing. We're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it quiet, man. We're gonna keep it quiet. All right, so we got a call. 49.50. All right, they'll give me plenty of time. Good, good, good. All right, I'd still like to see you retrace back up to this area, even though let's go here. Let's go here. And it's making us be patient, but I'm still not in the camp that it's not going to go test out the sellers. So I'm gonna just be patient. Yeah, that Take me to my destination. I'd like to see it. So I think I'm getting a new entry on Tesla. I wouldn't touch it yet. You talking about it for calls? Trail? You talking about for calls? I wouldn't touch it yet. Nah, I'd be patient. I'll just say that. I see one. I say the first area I start buying then, especially since we had this gap down and I see what it's trying to do. 150 will be the first place. If you don't have one yet, if you don't have any calls yet, 150 would be the place to go. 150, the next area would be 130. The next area would then be 112. I just got the levels in my head. Y'all know how I do. For my free folks, let me see something real quick. For my free folks, y'all should actually, I don't remember the position I gave y'all last week, but it might be up already. It is? Okay. How much are you up, family? Because I didn't buy it with you, so I don't know what's up. How much are you up on that from last week? 20%? Good job. Okay. If you up 20%, yeah, I'd be a fan of locking that in. Yeah, I'd be a fan of locking that in. And let me see how much this Tesla is, because I actually might have a little something for y'all on Tesla, man. It could take some time, but all right, my free folks. I'm looking at a opportunity on Tesla. Right now, it's at $500. Right now. You could buy it now, or you can wait. The thing is, I don't know, my free folks, if y'all not always here, I don't know if you're gonna be disciplined enough to watch Tesla chart and watch it fall and grab it where I say grab it. We'll see. But anyway, I want to end it here. This is where we are. Currently down 800 bucks, but still in the profit for the day, about 300. Overall, the $4,000 or $3,800 account that I started with, we're still up, so I'm okay with that. And yeah, we're gonna get up out of here, man. So I love y'all. Y'all take care of yourself. Keep doing your thing. Keep studying up. Trade Station is cool. Yeah, I like Trade Station. Y'all keep studying up. That's what Larry Williams uses, Trade Station. As a matter of fact, a lot of his indicators that he created, because Larry Williams actually created some indicators. A lot of the indicators he created, they're you can only use them with Trade Station. So yeah, Trade Station is cool. So because he had me try to he's like, go to Trade Station and you know, you can use my indicators. I was like, I don't want your indicators. I just need to know the information. Yeah. But yeah, Trade Station is good though. But yeah, I like Tradeovate. All right, down 900. Looks like we're going to test this. Actually, no, it's just still testing my target. It's trying to still get my target. Whatever. All right, but yeah, let's see. You give me that. That's right. Give me the howl, damn it. So yeah, undefeated for the year so far. Yeah, we gotta hit the button, man. You know, we gotta hit the button. So it's been a great month so far. As a matter of fact, the month is over. So it's the last trading day for the month. So it's been a great January, undefeated January. That deserves another one. Undefeated January. So we're undefeated this month. Let's see if we can do the same thing for February. All right. So love y'all. I see y'all tomorrow. Well, no, I won't be here tomorrow. Friday. I'll see y'all Friday if everything works out. I'll be communicating with you. But for my people in the Discord, I'll see y'all Friday. For my free people, y'all get y'all ass in that Discord soon. Because I'm telling y'all, these people a lot of people gonna be at 100K, and I'm gonna bump this shit up to 500 a month. All right. Don't be mad at me. All right. I'm out.
Secure the bag, yeah, that's the brand, and we get to the bag. These private flights.